On one sunny afternoon, we explore King's Bush House, where we can find a wild Unibuddy chilling on the stairs. It's looking quite happy and smiley, and is surveying its surroundings. It's blinking its eyes and is enjoying the summer afternoon when the strange creature picks it up and shakes it very heavily. The poor Unibuddy shows distressed expressions and looks quite dizzy. Now the strange creature has turned the Unibuddy upside down, showing its calendar, date, and temperature features. It puts it back on its flat side and it waits for it to fall back asleep. Now it wakes it up again and shows the timer feature, which showcases the Pomodoro timer, and it shows its backside with all of the cables and taps it in hopes of pausing the timer, which works. The Unibuddy, it looks very locked in, and then it's tapped twice, but due to its old age, the Unibuddy reacts a bit slowly, but then goes finally into dark mode. Now, with the dark mode in place, the strange creature who picked up the Unibuddy lays it flat again. We are not sure what it is attempting to do, but it looks like it's hoping to get a sleeping reaction from it. The Unibuddy agrees and goes into dark mode and sleep mode at the same time, now with the moon icon on its side.